Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be testing this eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bay, and it's called the Bright Eyeshadow Palette. It has 42 colors. This is an absolutely gorgeous eyeshadow palette. As you can see, it's absolutely huge. It has all the colors possible that you will need to actually create a makeup look. As you can see, it has some neutrals in here and the rest are just some really colorful eyeshadows. So yeah, I cannot wait to actually test this on. As normally, I will do some swatches as well. I'm not gonna swatch the whole palette because it's huge and it's gonna take forever, but I think I'm gonna swatch the first row and maybe the third and the last one. I'm gonna put this down because it's quite heavy. And by the way, Beauty Bay or by Beauty Bay is just cruelty free and vegan. Okay, so first color, White Lies. It's a complete matte white and seems to be pigmented. Yeah, really pigmented for a matte white. Angel Cake, Zero Line Shimmer. Bare Necessity, Preppy Pecan, seems really pigmented. Platinum, oh I love this shade of grey. It's like a gun type of silver grey. I like it. Threat, it's like a really dark grey and it's matte. And the last one from this row, it's Illicit, a really pigmented black. It's a matte black, by the way. Okay, now I'm gonna swatch the third row. So we have Just Peachy, is a matte type of orange. Tangerine Dreams, very bright orange. Orange Soda is a brilliant, nicely type of shimmer. I love this color. Look at it, gorgeous. Heat Wave, another orange. Cherryad, hope I pronounced this correctly. It's a gorgeous red. It's a shimmer red and I'm in love with it. I really love it. Hot Stuff, this is like a really red pink. So this is a more like a coral type of red or orangey red, but this is more like a pink type of red and it's really nice and it's matte, by the way. Head Over Heels, more intense red. So I don't know if the camera picks, but these are quite different in real life. So this is more like Ferrari red, this one in here. And this one are more like peachy burgundy. This one is like a burgundy red. And now I'm gonna swatch the last row. And this is the purples. By the way, the red shade seems to stain a bit, so just to keep this in mind. So first one, it's Fairy Tale. It's a gorgeous shimmer purple, like a lavender type. I love this one. Sugar Plum, this is matte. Wisteria, another matte purple but more deeper than this one. Spontaneous, and I love how it looks in here. Again, a shimmer, and look at this swatch, guys. I mean, crazy. I love it. Then we have Modern Way. This is a more cool type of purple. So these are more like warm pinky ones. Amethyst, again gorgeous purple. The last and not least is Drama Queen. By the way, I love the names they gave. Just beautiful colors, but all the names. They also have Bumblebee, they have Hello Sunshine. I mean, with the yellows and the greens. I mean, the names are just brilliant. So I'm gonna go and wipe this off. I'm gonna prepare my eyes and come back. Okay guys, so I'm back. My eyes are all prepared. So I think I'm gonna go for a purple look today. Because why not? I mean, I'm in love with this deep eyes. So in my outer V, I'm gonna start with this deep purple in here. By the way, it's quite full in the pan, like the other eyeshadow palette had as well. Oh yeah, it's pigmented as usually. I'm just packing the color first and then I'm gonna blend. Yes. As you can see, it is pigmented. Don't worry about the mess. I'm gonna clean it after, and I'm gonna do a shape to my eye. I think I'm gonna just insert the picture with this eyeshadow palette because it's really difficult to keep lifted and show to you guys instead of leave it down and just. I'm just gonna pop a picture with the eyeshadow palette so you know which shades I'm using. Okay, so next I am using Modern Way, another cute purple. And as you can see, this one is pigmented as well. I mean, it is really nice. And I think I'm gonna do a cut crease because I don't know, I haven't really done before a cut crease. I think I'm gonna do one. My cut crease, I'm gonna use actually this white shade, and this is from, I think I bought this as a set from Amazon. Oh, can't see it from the light. It's from Becky Sue eyeshadow primer, so it should be a dupe from for P. Louise or something. And I'm gonna use quite a big brush. Because this brush is quite big, it doesn't take so much time to actually cut your crease. I bought this from Savers and I think I paid £2 for it. I have from them this one. I have this for 4 years and I love it. Not every single like a bristle for or anything, and it cleans really brilliantly. And also I have this angled one that I like to use for my contouring, for my bronzer. And it's really dense as well, by the way, so maybe you can use it for foundation as well. But I'm in love with these brushes. I mean, they don't come into a set. You buy them individually. So this one I just bought, and I'm using it for the first time, and I actually enjoyed it. I mean, it performed brilliantly. And to apply the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this same flat brush, and I'm gonna go in the shade Fairy Tale, the lightest purple, which I'm gonna pack. And I think I'm gonna go just till here, because in this outer corner I wanna apply the darker shade again, called Drama Queen, and then blend these two together. And then in here, I'm gonna add the shade Modern Way. So the transition is a bit more smoother. Now I'm gonna blend these colors in, because now they look like a mess. And before I forget, on my brow bone, I am gonna use the shade Angel Cake. It's a really nice shimmer. And then I'm going back in the shade Modern Way. Just add a bit of more color. And on my lower lash line, I'm gonna use the deepest purple, the shade Drama Queen. It's really pigmented, I love it. but I'm not going all the way, because in my inner corner I'm using shade Fairy Tale. Okay, so now let's create a shape, because it looks like a mess now, I know. I'm just gonna take a wipe. Yeah, I think it looks really nice. Yeah, I love it. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, finish the rest of my face, add some lashes, and so on. You know the drill, and I'll come back with the finished look and also my final thoughts about this eyeshadow palette. Okay guys, so I'm back. This is the finished look. Obviously I can say I'm actually in love with this eyeshadow palette, because I don't know, it's extremely pigmented, it blended so well. It's, I don't know, absolutely gorgeous eyeshadow palette. As I said, the pans that are huge, also huge mirror as you can see. So yeah, I don't think it's anything bad I can say about this eyeshadow palette. By the way, in my inner corners I did use the shade Bumblebee, this one in here. It's this like gold shimmery, I don't know, it's a really gorgeous. I thought the look is gonna be more nicer with this in the inner corner, but I actually love it. No patchiness, as I said, really pigmented, everything blended so well. I did test it for the first time, their Fiery 2.0 eyeshadow palette, and again that one was absolutely brilliant, blended so well, lovely colors. The only eyeshadow palette I didn't actually like from them was their pastel palette, because it's not really pigmented. I mean, well, it's a pastel one, so it shouldn't have like really bright type of colors, but this one, I mean, I cannot wait. I'm just gonna swatch a few more. I mean, look at this, absolutely gorgeous. Cannot wait to try more colors from them. I mean, play with more colors, because it's just absolutely gorgeous palette. Let me know if you tried any of these eyeshadow palettes from by the Beauty Bay, or if you tried this particular palette and how it performed for you. If you have any problems blending up colors or anything, it's just, I don't know, I'm obsessed. It's absolutely beautiful and pigmented, and is nothing bad to say about this eyeshadow palette. I don't know, I definitely recommend it. By the way, this is 23 pounds guys, so it's not extremely cheap but not extremely expensive. I mean, for this huge eyeshadow palette, 23 pounds, it's absolutely fine, and for the quality that's inside, definitely is a good price. I mean, there are more expensive eyeshadow palettes out there that actually don't perform this well, like the Beauty Bay eyeshadow palettes. But yeah, let me know if you actually tried it before and how it worked for you. Thank you very much for watching guys, I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this every week. I'll see you next time. Take care guys, bye.